It's Monday, August the 18th. This is the first lesson after the introduction. I got the camera set up so it's actually going down on this table. And the next 3-4 lessons will be how to draw out the hexagons. The various parts to them. So we're going to get started. Kind of fighting the rain. And don't have that much time. This is a blank sheet of paper. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. That's what we're going to try to make. That's the size of the platforms that we're making. So what we're going to do, set that aside, and we're going to take our stock material here, our Bristol board, and a 3-foot wooden ruler. This is going to be a crash course. If you get past this, you're on your way. The accuracy has to be within a pencil point or a pencil line. So we're going from corner to corner. We want our geometric center. So our center is there. And now we're going to measure from the center to the edge is about 11 inches. Make our mark, and we're going to draw a line right through. Okay, the next step is to take a pin. We're going to poke a hole right through the center. I've already got the holes drilled in here. I used a 1/16 of an inch drill bit to drill the holes. Okay. That's what we have there. Now, the next step is to take a ruler. This is a plastic ruler, 16-inch ruler. And I've drilled a hole right at the 0 and one at 11 inches and 7/8. 11 inches and 7/8. That's going to make just under a 2-foot circle. So we pull our pin here. We attach it to the top of the ruler, so you got this. Now we can draw a circle. Now we go to 11 and 7/8. We're going to spin it around, and I'm using a 0.5 mechanical pencil tip. Keep one finger on the button back here, and you want pressure out on the ruler because there is a little bit of slack. So we're going to go around. Make our circle. As you can see, I'm following identically the old pattern. So this circle should be 23 inches and 3/4. That's what you want. Okay, the next step is to take half the diameter. No, the 11 and 7/8, the same markings. We'll take a second pin here, and we're going to put it, I'm going to start right here on 0. Put our hole through. This is going to replace a protractor. Make sure it's tight and square. And I'm going to find our 11 and 7/8 here, and simply make a mark there. Make a mark there. Now we're going to switch ends. Keep this pin in there, and I keep the paper stationary. Do the same thing on the opposite end. Make a hole. The hole's there already. Put her in. Make sure tension's toward the outside. Make our mark there. Make our mark there. I'm hoping that this catches, and I'm just going to check. There's going to be probably 3 lessons on this, and it's going to focus a little more on that. So we got our 4 marks, and what we're going to do is go to the mark, and this is a cross check. Same thing. Come on, get in there. Accuracy is of utmost importance when drawing geometric designs. Make a mark there. Come over here. Make a mark there. And then our line should go directly to the center line, which it does. Now we'll go over here. Do the same thing. I'm going to do our cross check again. Sorry about that. Go to our other mark and make sure the thing's right in the center of the pencil marks. Well, I can't get it into the board, so we'd have to take the drill and drill a hole. Okay. This is signboard material, 1/2 inch, 5-ply fir. That's what we're going to use to make the model. Okay, we're going to make a mark there. It goes right through the center. Now we'll go to the opposite side. Better make our hole with a drill. Dead center there. Well, we'll go to the other one, do the same. Okay, the hole's already there. What's happening here? Okay, keep tension on here. Want your tension going out like that, because the pencil mark difference will give you an accuracy. This is our last mark. Okay. Not quite the last mark. Go back here. You'll get the idea. Practice this on your own. For all the drawings are use the same formula here. And we have to go back to here, make one more cross check. This is Joshua Taylor, coming to you from Edmonton, Alberta, on how to build your own relocation platform. This is lesson number 1. Okay, 11 7/8. There's our mark. It's very close. I'm using white paper because it shows up better. We've got one more mark to do. Okay, this is almost perfect. There you have it. Put a pin in there to make sure it doesn't shift. And the next thing that we're going to do is take a Staedtler pen. This is a 0.3 tip. And we're going to take a steel ruler. I might use the plastic instead. Take my glasses off so I can see better. And we're going to join tips. I'm going to take that out. Plastic ruler you can kind of see through. I'm going to go from point to point. One line.